I am Dr. Suresh Ukarande, Director for KJ Somaya School of Engineering and Dean for Faculty of Technology, Somaya Vidyavihar University, Mumbai. I am associated with SIA from very first day. I remember when I got a call from one of his assistants of Baldev ji that so and so initiative he is going to start, and he wanted to get connected with the engineering colleges, pharmacy colleges, and many more professional colleges from Mumbai, Maharashtra. And from that one phone call, I got connected with the SIA and very happy to be with SIA, and it's growing every year. I am being a part of this ecosystem which provides innovation, supports startup, and helping the youth to place their talent, place their projects, and place their startups on a such a great platform. I am very happy with that. Thank you.
Hello everyone, we are Team Sarthi
Sarthi.
from Sardar Patel Institute of Technology. Our solution is used by people.
Rural, like it's for all Indian citizens. Basically you get all the government welfare schemes easy to access on our entire platform.
Name of the platform?
Sarthi.
An AI powered solution for government welfare schemes.
Yeah.
And also to talk about the CI experience, it was very good. And as a young students, we got a very good stage
to connect with many innovators. We got to connect with industry people, and some people liked our solution. They will be providing us opportunities to connect with them further. So it was a very good experience overall.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Pranali Kadam and here is my partner Pallavi Rathod. So here we are with all of our products like NutriBar, chocolates, jellies, capsule. So these are used for the postpartum depression. We used all herbal ingredients like nori seaweed and sprouted soybean, which are enriched with the proteins, then folate and vitamin B12, which are essential to recover the postpartum health. We also performed the preclinical trials and we got the positive results on it. So our main target is the metro city areas women and also the tribal areas women who are suffering from the postpartum depression. Actually CA5 हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा अनएक्सपेक्टेड था. हमने सोचा भी नहीं था कि मतलब इतने
फर्स्ट प्राइज होगा मिलेगा मतलब.
CA5 में आने से पहले CA4 में जब हमारे सीनियर्स आए थे तो उन्होंने हमें बताया था कि CA5 में आप एंटर करो, वहाँ पे जाओ, आपको नई नई चीज़ें सीखने को मिलेगी. तो हमने भी हमारे जो गाइड है डॉक्टर सचिन टेम्बुरने सर, तो उन्होंने हमें बहुत ज़्यादा गाइड किया कि आप जाओ. तो हमने ये जो प्रोडक्ट बनाया है तो उनके गाइडेंस के अंडर ही बनाया है. जब हम यहाँ पर आए, यहाँ पर हमने जो भी अरेंजमेंट थी वो बहुत बढ़िया थी और जो भी अदर कॉम्पिटिटर्स थे उनके भी प्रोजेक्ट बहुत अच्छे थे. बहुत ज़्यादा टफ कंपटीशन था. हमें लगा नहीं था कि प्राइज़ हमें ही मिलेगा, लेकिन वी आर द फर्स्ट विनर.
Thank you so much.
So hi guys, myself Shreyas Berde and this is our team Helobatic. Today we are here at SIA and we have won the prize. So our innovation was Helobatic, an innovative foam-based dressing system for diabetic wounds. This is specially made for diabetic wounds or diabetic patients who are suffering from diabetic foot ulcers.
CA5 was amazing. The exposure, the connections, the networking, everything was top notch. Plus, this was the first time over here and two of our teams participated. We came all the way from Pune and the experience has been amazing. This kind of exposure, you won't get it anywhere else. So, I would encourage everyone to participate, and I mean, prize or no, nonetheless, this was amazing. Thank you so much.
What if we told you we have made something worth 1 crore rupees but just under in 5,000? All the instruments in one place for every pharmaceutical student so that they can master their profession and attain something big.
So the problem statement we are solving is for pharmacy students to learn or to cover the skill gap of instrumentation and theoretical knowledge.
The CA5 experience was incredible. It is a great platform to learn and grow, and I hope such more opportunities come towards my way.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Nuvia Tech. We both are founders of Nuvia Tech. We are building innovative neonatal care devices for India, and we are running on a problem right like jaundice and hypothermia. We have two innovative products, Nuvia Worm and Nuvia Glow, and that will be that they are in the compliance stage right now. Will be hitting the market soon, and yeah, overall the experience with CI 5. We actually it's a first time with the SIA, and it's a very good community. The investors, the network is very worthwhile, and whatever we meet people in these days, that were very encouraging. They help us a lot to move faster, and yeah, we are hoping to move ahead with the SIA again and again. We'll be meeting the mentors. We'll be getting help from them definitely. Thank you. Yeah, it's a great team.
Hi, we're Inoxa Labs and we're from Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai, and we're the runner-up for SIA 5. And our project is basically like an interactive hologram which is used for retail marketing. And SIA 5 has been really helpful with a lot of things, helping us find mentors, investments, funding. We did receive a lot of feedback on how we can improve our product and how else we can market our products. So SIA 5 has been really useful, and I would definitely recommend a lot of you to participate and compete in the upcoming SIA 6. And I just want to thank all the organizers and the committee, the selection committee, for this opportunity. Thank you.